book,
Expand the Conscious Parent-Child
Life Journey. Yeah. So we are representing We Network today, and we have Dr. Sureka today. This is the first program of Women with Wings. She is also an angel who is a woman with wing in the field of physiotherapy, and she is doing a great job in her field in the field of women's health, healthcare, and so many other things she is doing. Let us hear from her what are the specialties she is doing, and over to Daniel.
Yeah. We would like to introduce yourself. Sorry. We would want you to introduce yourself.
Yeah,
Yeah,
sure.
can you-
Hi, everyone. Hi, all. Hope this is a great evening for everyone. I'm Dr. Sureka here. Actually, I'm a physiotherapist and yoga and fitness trainer and a certified women's health coach and personal health counselor. So I'm so happy to give this opportunity here. And see, I'm the founder of Women's Healthcare. I want to do so many lot of work for the women's. So I have started this foundation, and the foundation was started for the purpose of educating knowledge about their own health, especially for the women's. Because every woman's they are not at all taking care of their health, along as like they are taking care of their parents and families and kids. So I would like to initiate the activity to educate the health about their own. So that is why I have started this foundation.
Great. So, what would be your main focus, Dr. Sureka? Can we hear it from you? What you are doing so many things. It's very wonderful that no other you're doing so many things. So, we would want to know from you what is your main focus.
Yeah.
Sure, ma'am, sure. And my main focus is like every woman's asset is the children. Having the children is the biggest thing for every woman. Like the mom that experience is a great thing. So I want to experience this mom experience like every woman. So that is my main focus. So for that, I'm here. There are so many females who are not able to get pregnant. That means the infertility. And because of this modern life, so many people are having this kind of problems. And I would like to treat them because this is going to give some stress for them and also for their family because of not getting pregnancy, scolding them. So that I would like to concentrate on them. That people is my main focus. And here, what I do for them is I would like to cure them with my effective treatment, and I have to give some education about their whole pregnancy in the period of whole pregnancy, and then make them to deliver a child for them so that they will be very happy. And I would not scare, and I will also help them to reduce the pregnancy weight also. So the entire pregnancy journey will be my main focus, ma'am.
That's really great. Actually, today so many people have that infertility issues, and they have so much of stress on that. You're really great, doing a great job in this area, Dr. Sureka. It's really
Thank you.
amazing. Yeah, really amazing. And can we know what is who is your inspiration in that?
Yeah. Who is
Yeah.
your inspiration?
Yeah, first of all, my first role model is my brother, because in my childhood periods I won't do so much activity, and I won't be so active also in my studies, and whatever the point, whatever the hobbies also, I won't be so much active. But
That
my
you cannot believing actually.
Yeah,
you cannot believe
you
that
cannot
you are not
believe that.
active. You were not active. You're so
yeah,
active.
seriously, man, during my childhood, like till my 8th standard and all, I won't be that much active, seriously. So my brother will be getting all the medals and everything, like whatever he's participating in athlete sports, whatever it might be, he is going to be the winner. So I thought, why I am like this? So because of that, I used to get so many scoldings in my house. So then automatically I got inspired from my brother. Then I started working. I got involved in my work so much. Then I wanted to do something for the society. So he is my role model.
Great.
Yeah.
Great. And
Thank you.
we congratulate your brother for being your inspiration.
Who is
Thank you. Thank you.
supportive? So next question is, who is very supportive in your family for your career?
Yeah, both my mom and dad, because my parents, and I'm having so many mentors in my life. First thing is, I would like to tell for my mom, because she's doing such a wonderful job. As I said, like why I have choose this career and to give pregnant for every mothers, because of my mom. because I'm seeing, like, I'm visualizing every day what the mother can do for the child, so that I'm getting through my mother. So I'm doing this wonderful job. And second thing is my dad. He won't allow me to go anywhere alone, because he will be there with me always. Like when I'm going to college, he used to take me, and when I'm going to visit for my patient, he used to with me, because that much care I'll be getting from my parents. So they both. And not only my parents, yeah, I'm keep on getting so many mentors, like yeah, I have to tell, like V Network Purnima ma'am, because they are shaping me more and more. And whenever I used to be with someone, like as my friend, I'll get something from them, like I will shape something from them, like I used to encourage by them. They are the mentors of my, really. I would like to tell their name also here. Like first one is Mrs. Hemay Alni ma'am. He is my real mentor. And then Mrs. Sumati and Pavitra, they are my colleagues in my hospital where we worked together. But still, they are not like my friends. They support me each and every day, like whatever I'm doing, they used to support me. Keep on, they will be encouraging me. And this encouragement is what I'm doing here today.
Great, great,
Yes.
great that you have such a nice friends and colleagues with you who are encouraging you so much. That is really a amazing thing to have people like that in our lives. So you have got
Yes.
such an amazing friends.
So
Congratulations to you.
we would like to know, how was your childhood days?
Okay. Yeah, as I said, like I got inspired from AE because I won't study that much, but still my mom will used to teach me every day. But nowadays, how the kids are like going through the escapism. Usually, I did that in my childhood periods, and I won't engage myself that much of sports activities and any extracurricular activities, whatever it might be on stage or off stage. Then only after seeing my brother, then only I just seen, and I just got inspired with him. Then I used to engage with all the activities. Now I'll do so many off stage activities. So this is how my childhood was. It was very it was not nice actually.
No, that has given the strength to be the you who you are today, right? So we
Yes,
we
ma'am, yes.
appreciate your childhood. That
Yes,
because that has
because
got you
one inspiration story is there in my childhood, because my brother, he didn't get centum in his max exam at 10th standard, but but he was tried a lot for that. But for me, I was not good at studies till 8th standard, as I said. But when I was 8, my brother was in 10th standard. So he got only 97 in marks. Then that is the only one inspiration. Like I want to give centum mark in my marks to my brother. Then I got that centum in my marks, and that I have given to my brother.
Wow, that's really,
That's
really, really
wow.
awesome. Awesome. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Great, yeah. We are, when you say a word max, we would go running away from the place.
Yeah.
You have got
Even
a
as a school student, I am like that only, ma'am. Because of my brother, I did that.
great, great, great. So we would like
Yeah.
to know more about your work, Dr. Sureka, so that people can get more
Yeah.
information from you. So,
Yeah.
what are the things you can tell to the women today who is suffering from, a lot of other issues like pregnancy and like a lot of other issues? You can overall, as being a women healthcare consultant and counselor, you can give us an idea about,
Some tips
yeah,
for their health.
Their
yeah.
health. Sure,
The
ma'am.
fit.
Sure. Yeah, and nowadays they are doing a sitting kind of job, most of them, and that is also an IT. So they have to get some break in that. Like every 2 hours, once they should walk, or they should do some exercises, some kind of stretching exercises, or some kind of relaxation they should do in their work time. And hopefully now, because of this COVID situation, everybody is working in their home, so they can hopefully do that. So my kind advice is to take some break in their work till like after 22 hours and all they should take. And they should drink a lot of water. They are not at all drinking a water. Like the world is surrounded by 80% of water, as same like our body is also surrounded by 80% of water. So we need water more consistency. So they should drink lot and lot of water. And nowadays our food habit has changed a lot, and it's not like our grandparents and parents habits. Like we have changed to the North Indian food style. Just we want to shut it, and we should come to the South Indian style, because we are getting all the things, all the foods in our food items, and we are exporting it to the all the countries. So I'm humble, my humble request is to everyone should come and eat this pattern. Then one more tips is the dressing sense. Nowadays, it is like everyone is wearing the tight clothes and that and all. That is not at all advisable for the uterus and all. That is the main thing which the uterus is not giving birth because of that only. So they should concentrate on their dressing sense also. And see, every women's, not only women's, every person who is working now in this environment, they are not at all taking care of their health. They not even going to spend at least 1 hour for their health. Even they are waking up and they are doing the some simple activities like cooking and all, and they used to sit for the work. That is not the right pattern. They should do some activity, physical activity. So my request is to drink more water, and to eat more South Indian foods, and to dress loosely, and that should be cotton. That is most advisable, and they should do some physical activity, and they should take some break in their work. Because of this COVID time, it is going to work for them, so they should do that.
Okay.
Yeah, this is some useful tips.
Yeah, many people are having so much of back pain, Dr. Surekha. So, can you give a simple solution for that?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. And yeah, the back pain is where we are getting around only after 40s. And that is also because of some calcium deficiency, because our body is going to deficient in calcium. So that time we need some more calcium. So for that, they should take some more calcium, and they should activate themselves in some kind of activities like walking, or else some simple exercise protocol, or some yoga, some breathing exercise. That would be more beneficial for them.
Okay, great. That's actually a great tip.
Good.
Yeah, maybe when you do one exercise session or something like that, people should involve with you so
Yeah,
that they
sure,
get more benefit. Yeah.
sure.
So, what are the benefits which you're giving for the society? What is that you have for society? You are when we were talking previously, you were saying about some consultation, free consultation, and so many other things. I remember that. Can you just explain about that?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. The main focus is like I have to give everybody's for the women. I have to give the joyful journal of pregnancy to everyone, so that I'm creating like for the infertility patients from pregnancy then to the postnatal period. Everywhere I'm working over that. And what about the pain-free thing is like you told me that free consultation. Yes, I used to tell that free consultation because of the nature, like how they will be charging that kind of problems is there in entire thing. So I want to make some pain free people. Like I want to make this environment as much as I could pain free people. So I'm working for that with along my teammates. So so many of them are there. They are so helpful for me in that time. Yeah, they are doing, keep on, they are encouraging, and keep on, they are also doing for the this thing, pain free environment we are making. And for that we are giving free consultations, like whatever the pain might be, neck pain, knee pain, back pain, whatever might be. We used to give free consultation, and we used to teach the exercises what suits for them. Accordingly, we used to teach exercises for them. So I need to do this do this two programs like to the entire world, ma'am, as much
Okay.
as I can.
So I
Yeah.
think you have a Women Healthcare Foundation in your, in your hold now as of now. So what are the things you
Yes.
are doing in Women Healthcare, group and foundation?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. And morning I used to take fitness classes, like who wants to really get the shape in their bodies, and who wants to really reduces the weight. They used to work with me in the morning time, and it would be there in the early mornings. And after that, we need to give some social activities to the society. For that, we are doing with the help of some NGOs, and we are doing with the help of your network, B Network also. And in that we are giving, at least for some people, we are giving some exercise programs for them. At least we can see that I'm really happy to give that exercise program such, because I can see that some people are doing in front of us. It was really great, and it was very happy for us. And we have started an NGO also in the name of ISDO. and we are working in the part of NGO also to give and to reach to every women's and every men's, like who are all is having a very need. We need to reach them. That is our main goal, ma'am. And in the morning time, I usually take the pregnancy classes. Like as I said, the infertility peoples to become pregnant, and once they are pregnant, I used to give so many classes, like how beautifully they have to change this pregnancy period. So that I used to take around 6 7 classes for them. And then in the postnatal period also, there will be so many depressions, like how to give breastfeeding, and everybody's turning and concentration was changed to the baby this time, so that I need to give focus for them. So that I will give some classes. And yeah, the thing is, I would like to teach anything for everyone, ma'am, like whatever it might be.
You're
It is
also
maths or
taking for
science.
NEET and PG entrances,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. That is also my hobby, ma'am. Like, I got an opportunity to teach the NEET peoples who is studying for the NEET in the right institute. I should tell great thanks for them also. And my hobby is to teach, like, whatever the program might be. If it is even an LKG student, I was taught some standing line and sleeping line for the LKG students 2 days back for my neighbors. Like that, I want to teach something for all the peoples. That is my
That,
hobby.
Great hobby.
yeah, that's great hobby, and that's a great spirit in you. That's a
Yeah.
social responsibility you have taken. That's really great of you.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
So
even if I don't know, I used to read and I'll tell them.
okay, so
Yeah.
I have seen one lady in the Facebook page, and we've been seeing her all through her pregnancy. She was dancing and posting a lot of videos and other things. She's enjoying so much. So you
Yes.
say that those kind of things should be done, right?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay, what are the other things they can do? She was like, we were seeing her, and we ourselves became energetic. She was dancing and putting her video, and that today was her
Yes,
date, and she was given.
yeah. I agree with your point, ma'am. But the main thing is everybody's hobby will be different. So her hobby is dancing, so that she is doing the dancing program. Yeah, but they are like non-medicos, and they have completed the engineering, and they used to go for this kind of programs, like 3 4 days workshops, and they used to take classes. But what I did is I was keep on observing in the labor room for entirely 30,000 deliveries. So this was the great thing which I did in my life, and that deliveries was very horrible. Like every women's are shouting and they don't know what to do in that labor time, and also that's why I'm encouraging and I'm teaching everybody to what to do in their labor exactly, what that we are doing, ma'am. So it's not about
So,
dance. We used to teach everything.
do you have anything for young people to
Yeah,
ask?
yeah. Can you give some tips for young girls?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, about young kids nowadays, they want to know and learn more about their menarche, that means their first period. So, yeah, everyone should know what it is meant, and their parents should tell. And for that, we are giving so many classes for the parents also, like how the kid should be there with the child already, because it was the first time. So we should educate the kid. So I want really to educate all the kids about the menarche, the first time of the periods, so that they would have more knowledge about that, so they might not feel this kind of stomach pain, whatever it might be. It is coming in those periods problem that won't come for the kids. So that is the main thing. And even the kids nowadays, they are not at all engaging with any playing activities. They keep on engaging with the gadgets, electronic gadgets. They used to play with some other player who is not there in front of us. They will be playing with them in the mobile phone or laptop, whatever it might be. But still I want to change that also. They need some physical activity. Yeah, I request all of them to do some activity, like playing activity. They can play
So,
coco and kabaddi, whatever it might be.
so if we want to communicate you, if we want to have a consultation with you, how can we connect with you,
Yeah.
Sureka? How can you
Yeah,
connect?
yeah, it's there, ma'am. Like in the name of women's healthcare, it's there in the name of website and everything. And I'm giving you the consultation number also of mine. Yeah, it's +91 and 90 922 837 85. It's my official number. Like where we are treating and curing so many patients. I'm happy for me. Yeah, and
Okay.
I would
Can
like
you
to
repeat it
cure
again,
so
Dr.
many.
Sureka?
Yeah. Can you repeat it again so that the
Yeah,
viewers
ma'am.
can?
It's 9190 922 837 85.
Okay, that's great. I think all the viewers would have noted down it, and people who are going to watch it also will note down this, and they will get to you. And we would love people to get a pain-free environment and a happy pregnancy. Thank you,
Yeah,
Dr.
thank
Surekha,
you
for
so
being with
much.
us.
Thank you.
We are so happy to
Thank
be
you,
with you.
thank you, and thank you so much, ma'am. And I would like to congrats Danya for her book. Yeah, it was
Yeah,
really great. It was really great,
Thank you
and
so
yeah, people usually tell to me like, yeah, in this age you are doing all these things, but I'm getting so much shocking, and I'm getting so much sprit by Danya. Thank you so much, dear.
Thank you
God
so much.
bless you.
Thank you
Yeah,
so much.
yeah. We
thank you.
thank you so much.
Yeah,
Thank you
bye
so much
bye.
for your
Thank
blessings
you so
and
much.
wishes. Yeah,
Okay, let's end the call. Bye.
Bye
yeah.
bye.
Bye.